Then and then. What's the difference? Then is used as a preposition or a conjunction that is used with comparisons. I am shorter than my brother. Then is an adverb that is used to talk about a period of time. The city looked very different back then. Or the order of events. Mix the flour and sugar, then add 1 cup of milk. Then is used to introduce the second part of a comparison. The book is usually better than the movie. My new apartment is bigger than my old one. Then is also used for comparing amounts, numbers, distances, etc. I waited more than 20 minutes for the bus. Then is used to refer to a particular time in the past or future. Japan had a large earthquake in 2011. I was living in Tokyo then. The song reminds me of high school. I was young and free then. Then is also used to introduce the next item in a series of actions, events, instructions, etc. Just let me finish what I'm doing, then I'll give you a hand. Finish your homework and then you can watch 1 hour of TV before bed. This video was made to support my blog post that covers this grammar in detail. At the blog post, you will find a quiz, my fun infographic, and a free quiz PDF download that you can do anytime offline. It's also perfect for teachers to use in private or group English lessons. You'll find a link to the blog post in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.